the crypto volatility is getting many people wrecked. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips how you can avoid unnecessary losses. But now let's talk quickly about Bitcoin. Right here, we can see we were above $107,000 just 1 hour ago. And after that, we saw a big, significant resistance here. This was the same resistance as here. And I have to say right now we might see another move to the downside, maybe to 102, maybe even lower. Let's see. Right now the RSI, it's going down. It was already overbought on the 1 hourly. Let's check it on the 4 hourly. We basically almost touched the overbought zone. So let's see. We might have another leg to the upside, but for now it seems like we're facing some big resistance here at $107,000. So let's see. For now, we can also see this trend line right here has been broken. So that's definitely nice. So we might also just go for a confirmation here at 102 and then continue the pump to the upside. But let's see. We are sophisticated traders and we trade accordingly to our indicators, our trading setups, and the technical analysis that we are doing. And now, first thing here, how to avoid unnecessary losses is stop chasing pumps. If you see, for example, just this example right here, let's go on the 15-minute chart so we can see it more clearly. We can see Bitcoin was pumping quite heavily here, going from 105 up to 107 in just a matter of 1 hour. Usually in this situation, you would want to wait for a breakout out of the resistance and the confirmation of the breakout. So let's see here on the shorter time frames, we had this resistance right here at $106,000. The ideal breakout would have looked like this. So we are breaking out of the resistance, testing new highs, and we are confirming the resistance and turning it into a support line right here. So the best would have been if Bitcoin would have had a bounce back from this zone and create a new higher high above $107,000. In this case, it didn't happen. We had a fake pump and we went back into the trend that we were previously in. So we can see this support zone here was still holding. So we might try again to break its resistance, or we will break down out of this trend and go for lower price targets. I'm happy in both ways because if it goes up, I know my spot positions are going to do well. If it goes down, I know I can buy more at a discounted rate. And now we are coming to the next tip, and it is for the traders out there, just use a stop loss and a take profit. Let's say even in this case you would have been trading this pump. Let's say you open here, after the breakout you open your position, okay, then your position was already in the profits here. I would move my stop loss at a break even point. Like that you cannot lose your position. It's very easy. In case you see this rapid pumps and you open a position, move your stop loss into the profit zone. Like that you can't lose your trade. Very easy and simple. If you're doing that, you are doing already better than 90% of the traders out there. Another tip is don't use too high leverage. For example, high leverage in this situation will get you liquidated, so you need to be careful with that. Only use, I would say, if you're a beginner, maybe 3x, maybe 5x if you're a little bit intermediate already. Before you have at least 3, 4, 5 years of trading experience, I wouldn't even touch the 10x leverage or more. Just develop your skills in trading, your technical analysis, your feeling for the market, and you will do much better long term. Learn with a smaller amount, with a smaller leverage at the beginning, and then make the big gains once you are a real professional. Another tip how you can avoid unnecessary losses is just trade Bitcoin. Altcoins are much more volatile. You can see here Bitcoin just dipped around $1,000 and you can see some of them went down 5%. 3%. Some of them are also up 44% because of some news. This is the Uniswap news that just happened. They are thinking to make a new voting regarding the fees and the distribution to the holders. Then we have here, we can see BNB down 1%, near down 6%. So many altcoins are very volatile to the upside and to the downside. So if you're using too high leverage, it's very easy to get wrecked on both sides, even if you're short or long. And usually when that happens, the market goes, it liquidates you, and then it goes in the direction of your trade. So be careful, just use low leverage like that. You don't have to make a decision so fast. You don't have to be in front of the screen all day. You can just easily put your take profit and your stop loss, and you can go enjoy your life to the fullest. Those were some tips for beginner traders out there. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you again next time. Bye bye.